Hi everyone! In this video we're gonna show you how to grow red cabbage microgreens. Take the tray with holes and place it in a tray without holes. Fill the tray with your growing medium. Spread the growing medium evenly over the tray and don't forget the edges and the corners. Pour some seed in the salt shaker. Weigh the salt shaker and remember the weight. Spread the seed over the growing medium using the salt shaker. The shaker prevents the seed from getting heaped up all together in one spot, which will cause growing issues. Now weigh the salt shaker again after spreading the seed. Now you know how many grams of seed you have used. Now grab a spray bottle and water the tray. Make sure the tray is moisture enough without overdoing it. The growing medium must be moist but not soaked. Place the second tray without holes on top and add some weight. I use several heavy books for weighing the tray down. Day 1. Remove the weight from the top tray. Carefully remove the top tray and tap it onto the bottom one to remove any seeds that might be stuck. Water the tray again using a spray bottle and put the top tray and weights back on. Repeat this process at night. Day 2. As you can see, the seeds now start germinating. Day 3. It is now obvious that all the seeds started germination. Day 4. Let's see what these red cabbage microgreen seeds look like today. The roots start developing hair roots. This is not fungus. Some plants even start to show small leaves. Day 5. Water the tray as before, but now also check the bottom of the tray with holes to check for any roots coming through the holes. When there's roots coming through the holes, you should start bottom watering just by spraying the bottom tray with your spraying bottle. When there's no roots visible yet, like in this case, you don't have to do this yet. As you can see, the plants are showing leaves and they're starting to stand up. Since this is happening, I will put them in blackout. This means basically that the top tray goes back on, but upside down so that it will create more of a dome. No weight is added on top anymore. Day 6. Now is the time to start bottom watering the plants, even when there are no roots visible yet. The water at the bottom tray will help keep the growing medium wet. Otherwise the tray will lose too much moisture due to ventilation. Because mostly all the plants start unfolding their leaves, they're ready to get out of blackout now. From now on they go into the rack underneath the light for the rest of their growing period. Keep checking them twice a day for water, as the ventilation might dry them out quicker than during blackout and weighing down. Day 7. As you can see, the leaves start to turn nicely green now that they are exposed to the light. Day 8. The plants look firm, as well as their leaves. Keep watering them at least once a day, especially at the bottom. Day 9. Keep checking their roots at the bottom of the tray with holes. The roots must keep their white color at all times. Day 10. The plants are nice and firm. Day 11. The red cabbage continues growing nicely. Make sure they stay wet enough. Day 12. Almost ready for harvest. We just want them a little bigger. Day 13. May I present you your first crop of red cabbage microgreens. Let's get them harvested. In an airtight container, you can store them in the fridge for about a week. Thanks for watching.